friends, today we are going to make a project of temperature and humidity sensor. The required materials are Arduino UNO, USB cable, breadboard, potentiometer, LCD, temperature sensor and some double-sided jumper wire. Now we inserting first the LCD to the breadboard. Then we should insert the potentiometer and the temperature sensor. Okay friend, first we should take up the black jumper wire and connect it to the minus. That minus should be connected to the GND. Red wire to the plus. That we should connect to our 5 volt. First we should connect like this. First I am taking on jumper wire and connecting LCD first pin to our minus side. In the breadboard, minus side. In the second LCD pin to our plus breadboard sign, plus sign. And the third LCD pin, potentiometer second pin. And the fourth LCD pin for Arduino digital fourth pin. Digital fourth pin. And then LCD pin to our GND. And the sixth pin in the LCD to our Arduino digital pin 5. Okay, now we are connecting from the last LCD pin, that is 16th pin, last LCD pin, that we are connecting to minus side, breadboard minus side, and the 15th pin to the 5 volt. 15th pin to our 5 volt, that is plus side. And the 14th pin to our Arduino digital pin 9. In LCD, 13th pin to our Arduino digital pin 8. In LCD, 12th pin to our Arduino digital pin 7. LCD 11th pin to our Arduino digital pin 6. Okay, now we are going to connect the potentiometer. That we should connect 2 pins. First, in the middle pin we have connected to the LCD. Now the first pin, that we should connect to plus sign 5 volt pin in the plus side. And the potentiometer last pin, that is third pin, minus side. Minus side we should connect the potentiometer. Now we should connect the temperature sensor. Now we are going to connect the temperature sensor. Temperature sensor VCC pin, that is first pin, VCC pin to the plus volt, plus side we should connect it. In the breadboard plus side. Temperature sensor second pin, we should connect it to digital pin 2. In the Arduino UNO digital pin 2 to the minus side we should connect it. Now we should check all the connections is done. Okay friends, now the connections are done. Let's see how it is working.
So now we have completed the project. Now we are going to do the coding part. So first we have to install Arduino IDE software. After installing Arduino IDE software, go to tools and select your port. This is the code for our project. The code will be given in the description. Now I am copying the code and pasting in our Arduino IDE software. Now we are going to give verify button. Now it show as done compiling. Now we have to give upload button. Now it show as done uploading. Our project is done. Let us see the demo of this project. Now you can see the temperature and humidity. By turning the potentiometer, it shows temperature as 31 degrees Celsius and humidity as 9%. So this was our project. Thank you.